Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, I am going to show you an very important AI template for all the researchers. This template will be very helpful for those who are writing your research paper, especially while making literature review. So this template is about literature review, which will provide the perfect literature review for your research paper writing. So in order to make a literature review, you have to analyze your reference paper very deeply. So all that can be done by using this respective AI tool. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool and how you can use that for your research paper writing. So for that, first go to lmssolution.net.in. So in this, you will be having an option called LMS AI. So just click on the option called LMS AI. This comprises of different kinds of LMS AI templates. All these LMS AI templates are especially designed for research paper writing. So in this video, I am going to show you a template called Detailed Literature Review. So just click on the option called Detailed Literature Review Template. So this is the Detailed Literature Review Template. It leads to a dashboard like this here. So this is the dashboard of this Detailed Literature Review Template. Here you can see these are the important specification asked by that respective template. Title of the paper, abstract of the paper, introduction part of the paper, and conclusion of the paper. Here probably this will be my reference paper and open access paper I have taken. So first copy the title of the paper, paste here, and then abstract of the paper. Next, introduction part of the paper. So introduction part, most probably it is around the first section of a research paper, section 1, paste here. So after that, add the conclusion of the paper. After giving all the details, you just click do literature review. It will do for you. Important thing is that, so rather than making a literature review just by considering a overall assessment, this will make a perfect and a deep literature review and only focus on the key points present in the respective paper. So just click on the option called do literature review. So it will analyze all the details, all the inputs what we have given in the respective tabs. Based upon that, this AI template will generate a perfect literature review for you. 3 important things it will generate. Here comes the content, summary of the paper, main findings of the paper, limitations of the paper. So these are the 3 important things present in this respective template, that is summary, main findings, and limitations. This itself is enough for to make a perfect literature review, because this summary will give overall idea about that respective paper, and the main findings of the paper will provide the important key points, pinpointed numerical values present in the respective paper, and also what are the probable limitations present in the paper. These 3 things will be very useful for you to make a perfect literature review, and you can use the same in your literature review writing process also. All you have is to just have the reference paper with you, copy and paste the content asked by this respective template, and get your perfect literature review. Those who are making review paper, this kind of AI template will be very useful for you. So whenever you are making a review paper, so you have to analyze the paper very deeply. Thereby only you can get a better idea and better points regarding that respective paper. You can use this detailed literature review template for your review paper writing and make your research paper writing and literature review writing simple and easy. So as far as plans and pricing is concerned, so just click on the option called plans and pricing. So it leads to a plans and pricing option. At just $199, you can access all our LMS AI tool for 1 month. And you can have unlimited access to all our LMS AI template for 1 month. The next one is $999. You can access our LMS AI tool for 1 year. And then you will be having unlimited access to LMS AI templates for 1 year. Important thing is that you can access our course on demand videos also. This is all about this LMS AI template. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.